Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a nice 2015 Kenworth T800 Daycab. Good low mileage work truck. It's got an Isx Cummins, 500 horsepower, 10 speed, only 240,000 miles on it. It does have a wet kit and a Pintle Hitch as well. So go ahead and get it fired up here for you. I've gotten it hot this morning. Gonna do a full walk around, show you what we've got here. Great low side oil pressure, super responsive. Oil pressure jumps up there as well. This one's got a good look to it, dual stacks, wet kit tank mounted on that side there. Really good look. Body and paint overall are pretty good. Got just one little damage to the step bracket. This one's went through full detail. It's got a little bit of rust that was cleaned up professionally and reshot. All aluminum wheels, slider. Like I said before, it does have a Pintle Hitch with air on the back too, so that's pretty nice setup. There's your wet kit tank there. 2-line wet kit. Been hauling a Landau trailer in its previous life. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, definitely hit me up. You can call me or text me anytime, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.